Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add Hyperlink Excel. To start, open the Excel sheet. Select the sheet where the hyperlink will go. After this, in the Insert menu, click on Link. There you will have a series of options to use to create the link in the Excel sheet. In this case, you are going to paste the web address into the address field. Click on OK. You can see that the cell is marked with the hyperlink layout. When you click there, the link that has been defined will open. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.